Rockstar. Welcome to finding my YouTube channel. My name is Obapa Ekweajechi, and if you are looking for a means of totally transforming your life to a life of financial freedom, this is the channel for you to subscribe. Now, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly what you are going to benefit when you start using my company products. This company have manufactured world-class products for Marks and Spencer, Unilever, Elizabeth Arden, and so many brands. This company is transforming lives, and your life is about to be transformed. Some of these products include hand sanitizers, hand cream, body creams, toothpaste, pet care for your pet, shampoo for your pet, and even baby products. So any products that you buy, this product have points attached to it. Take an example of our alkaline water treatment tank, which is a mobile cap which treats and changes acidity in your water into alkaline. This cap has 30 points attached to it. So when you buy 30 pieces of this cap, you are going to get a total of 900 points that is going straight into the account. So this 30 points does not shrink, does not flash, does not burn. The 30 points are consistently and accurately held as at when you made an activity and input into the organization. So you use the products for 2 years and you decide not to use the products again. The points that you have are still very intact, and nobody uses your points, nobody flashes your points, and you can come back after 2 years to continue using the product and having your points increase. These points become the basis, the measurement of which your lifestyle incentives and your cash bonuses are given to you. This falls under the worldwide incentive. When I talk of worldwide incentive, what I mean is, so in the 183 countries, everybody who reaches the Diamond 4 stands the chance of being rewarded. You are in Philippines and you got to this stage, and I am in Ghana and I get to this stage. We both are taking home the same rewards. So that is how it is named worldwide global incentive. Now when you get to this stage, which is the Diamond 4, the company sets aside 1% travel allowance for you. Now mind you, this travel incentive is 100% sponsored by the organization. The organization pays for your trip to have fun and come back. All what you need to do is pack your clothes and make your passport ready. Go and have fun and come back, because all what you are supposed to do is have fun. Your hotel is paid for you, your meals are paid for you, your shopping may be paid for you, depending on when you win this. So if you got to this stage, which is Diamond 4, through a promotion, then you stand a chance of winning cash incentives for shopping. Places that you visit differs in terms of country. In Ghana, 3 places that are mandated for the company to visit, which includes the USA, China, and Singapore. And this year, the company decided to visit Greece, where unfortunately COVID-19 could not allow them. But people who won their trips were given money in exchange. So when you get to Diamond 4, you have the free visa to go and have fun and come back. The next one is that because you've traveled outside the country, you have had an experience, but we don't want you to stay where you are. We want you to expand your business. Now, if you have to expand your business, you will need the mobility of you moving from one place to the other and find distributors and give products to them. So when you get to the Diamond 5 level, you are going to be given a brand new car. How many organizations have given you a car for free? No organization gives you a car for free because you have been working for them, but this organization is giving you a free car for using the company product and getting paid. This is cool chop and I want it. Yes, this free car is given to you in a ceremony. Now, these ceremonies are held twice every year. In Ghana, it's held in April and in December. So no matter how many chances you stand of winning a car, if you won 4 cars this year, you are taking 4 cars home. If you won 5 cars, you are taking 5 cars home. I was in last year's car awards. I saw people taking home new cars. After taking your car at Diamond 5, the next thing the organization has for you is that it's scholarship incentives, which is set down for you. Now, you know what? Subscribe to this channel and get informed anytime I post content. Let me share with you the story of mine. Right back in my education, I have faced the challenge of always being asked to go home for fees. I almost missed my final exam, one of my papers, when I was in the secondary school, and I also faced challenges when I got to the university where my desk was not found in the exam hall. So let me explain to you how this happens. During the exam time, every student is given an exam hall to go and write the paper, where your seat is numbered with your index number. So when you find your index number, that is where your seat is. Now with me, because I haven't paid my school fees to the full, I get to the exam room. Now my desk is nowhere to be found. What the examiners do is that the person ahead of me has their names or their index number written on in their seat. The person behind me have their names on their seat, but I do not have my index number on any of the seats in the room, which means that I cannot write my exam until I have a seat. I would have to go out, meet other students who do not also have seats, to compete with each other for seats to write an exam. Since that, this would have to go on for over about 45 minutes because the examiners would have to see to those who have paid their fees before those of us who could not pay our fees were asked to see the accountant for clearance and come back to the examiners to be given a seat to write. You see, before the over 100 students get to the administration, to the accountant to get clearance, almost 1 hour of the exam time is gone. So by the time you get to your seat, because of the pressure and the stress you have gone through, you have to get settled before you start writing your exam. And for me, it takes me about 15 minutes to get settled to start writing my exam, which means that this is going to totally affect me when the results come out. So I decided that there was no way, if I had a means of changing my children's future, I wasn't going to seize that. And lo and behold, I found this company which is going to give me 3 scholarships in full if I use their product. Let's talk about this scholarship. There are 3 in a whole. The first one is a bachelor degree in China's Harvard, which is the Suzhou University. Now the second is in Denver, and the third is the Executive MBA scholarship in the Regis University in the USA. Now the next incentive is the 150,000 house incentive. This is also rewarded to you when you get to the staff directorship level. Now the organization is saying that you have an executive MBA for your studies, you have broadened your studies, you now can start managing your own company, whether you partner with us under our OEM or you start your own. We want you to have a peace of mind and be what you want to be. They are giving you 150,000 worth house incentive, where the money is given to you into your bank account and you can feel free and use it for anything that you want. You do not need to be a grown-up to be rewarded. You can be rewarded as a child. You can be rewarded as a grown-up. You can be rewarded as an unborn baby. You can be rewarded as and you can be rewarded as a physically challenged person. This is for everybody who starts using the company product. Now, next time in my video, I am going to bring you the 5 cash incentive. I've told you that there is the 5 cash in this incentive, there is the 5 house style incentive. So I'm going to bring you the 5 cash incentives, and it is in your best interest to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever I post valuable content. But until I do that, once again, my name is Obapa Ekwuajeche, and I am going to come by some other time and explain the benefits you are going to obtain when you use the company product. But until I do that, it's bye bye for now.